Right. Good evening, everyone. Online students, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Online students, please check. You can respond in the chat. You can respond in the chat, guys. You can respond in the chat. Please check there. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Perfect. All right, guys. Yes. Yeah. Very, very good evening, guys. Very, very good evening. So you can hear me and you can see the screen. All right. So let us start our session here today. So guys, yes, before starting our session, let me ask you a small question like offline students, how many of you are new today? Like this is the first class. Kindly please raise your hand. Kindly please raise your hand. This is the first class. Okay, nearly 20. Down. Thank you, guys. Online students, if this is your first class, kindly please raise your hands in the Zoom. You can raise your hands in the Zoom, guys. Please check. Please check. You can raise your hands in the Zoom. If this is your first class, kindly please raise your hands in the Zoom. Okay, nearly 60. All right, guys. Thank you. You can lower your hands. You can lower your hands, guys. Please. You can lower your hands. All right. Okay. So, guys, this is for the new people who came today only. We have started our sessions from yesterday onwards. Sorry, day before yesterday onwards. That is from Monday onwards, we had started our sessions. So Monday, we just gone through with basic introduction about what is this Java full stack developer course, how many modules are there, how much time it is going to take for you to complete all these modules. Like just a second, let me just try to open those modules also so that it will be easy for you to understand. Right. How many modules are there? How much time it is going to take? How you are supposed to cover all introduction, like what is the total fees structure? How many months time it is going to take? How many courses you should be learning? Who is going to teach you all these modules? Like I gave you a small introduction about all the basic questions which you guys will be having before joining this course. And that lecture will be available in the Google Classroom, guys. So this is the code for that Google Classroom. If you are supposed to, like, if you are having that Google Classroom app in your mobile, you can just apply this code and you will be able to access that day 1 session. And day 2, that is yesterday, I had just discussed about little bit more in depth about core Java, just a small introduction about core Java, like how many basic Java programming elements are there, like what are those, how many access modifiers are there, what is a syntax, what we can write inside a class. All basic ideas we had covered in our yesterday's class, but up to now we did not go with any single program also. That is going to happen by today. Today, we are going to start discussing about a Java program. And if time permits, I'll be trying to give you a task also by today only. I'll be giving you a task also, right? So online students and offline students, if anyone is new today, I strongly advise you to kindly please go with these 2 demo videos which were already available in the Google Classroom so that your doubts will be resolved. Okay, now let us start our today's session. Right. So guys, yes, as always, before starting our session, let us just try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concepts which I had covered in our yesterday's class, that is last class. So guys, yes, yesterday we had already covered, like we already discussed that how many basic Java programming elements are there? 3. What are those? Class, interface, and an enum. Most of the time in our projects, which one we will be using? We'll be using Java class. When we are supposed to use an interface, if we want to achieve abstraction in our project, come on guys, answer the queries. Right. So when we are supposed to use interface, if we want to achieve abstraction in our project, then we are supposed to go to interface. And when we are supposed to use enum, if our project is having universal constants, then we are supposed to use that enum. So basically in Java, I repeat, in Java, basically there are three basic Java programming elements. Without using a class or an interface or else an enum, we literally cannot write a Java program. If we want to write a program, 100% we need to use either class or an interface or an enum. That is the only reason these are known as basic Java programming elements. But before going to know like how to write a class, how to write an interface, how to write an enum, first we should be having an idea about syntax of a class, syntax of an interface, syntax of an enum. So basically, what do you mean by syntax? Syntax means some set of rules which we need to follow whenever we are writing the code. If we are not following the syntax, we'll be getting an error. Basically, English will be having grammar, Java will be having syntax, as simple as this. So if we want to write anything in Java, first we should be having an idea about its syntax. Without knowing the syntax, we cannot write a Java program. So after that, we discussed about access modifiers. So what is the use of these access modifiers? Access modifiers provides access restrictions which will enhance the data security. How many types of access modifiers are there? 4. In Java, we are having 4 types of access modifiers are there. What are those? Public, private, protected, and package private, which is most commonly known as default. Yes, in Java, we are having 4 access modifiers are there. And in these 4 access modifiers, how many we can use for a class? Exactly, only 2. What are those? Public and default. Sir, why can't we declare a Java class as private? Why can't we declare a Java class as protected? Basically, what is the scope of public? What is the scope of private, protected, default? Guys, we will be trying to cover these concepts in our coming classes. But as of now, I already said this, the same statements in last 2 days also I said this. Guys, if you are from IT background, non-IT backgrounds, if you are having a knowledge about C, C++, that literally does not matter. Whether you can understand Java or not, whether you can survive in Java or not, simply what you are supposed to, you just need to attend 5 classes, I said. 5 classes. That is yesterday, already 1 class got completed. So still we are having time up to Saturday. Up to Saturday. My intention is by Saturday, you should be able to write 40 to 50 lines of code. That is my intention, which you will do it, which you can do it. Once again, I'm saying you, once again, I'm repeating you, by Saturday, our target is to write at least minimum 40 to 50 lines of code, and you can do that. You can do that, guys. So in our coming classes, again, I'm saying you, in our coming classes, again, I'll be discussing about what is this access modifiers, what is literally the scope of public, scope of private, scope of protected, why we can't declare a Java class as private or protected. Also, we'll be trying to cover those concepts. Kindly please wait, guys. Wait until that particular concepts got covered, right? Yes. And after that, yes, guys, do you know the syntax of a Java class? Yes or no? Come on. First, what we need to write? Access modifier, class, class name, open braces and close braces. That class, what is that class? It is a keyword. Come on, concentrate. What is that class? Class is a keyword. Every Java language keyword always starts with a. Why? Because Java is case sensitive. Yes, actually we had already covered this particular concept also, like syntax of a class. What is the syntax of a class? What is the syntax of an interface? What is the syntax of an enum also? But as I said, most of the time we will be using Java classes. Interface, whenever that particular concept comes, we'll be trying to cover that interface concept. And whenever that enum concepts comes in our syllabus, at that particular time, we will be trying to cover that enum also. Okay, just a sec. Right, right. Now, okay. So after that, yes, we had gone through with like syntax of a class. We already covered. And guys, yes, inside a Java class, I repeat, inside a Java class, what we can write? We can write variables, we can write methods, we can create objects, and we can write blocks also. And do you know what is the use of a Java method? Do you know what is the use of a Java method? Yes or no? Do you know what is of Java method? Yes. What is the use of a Java method? Java method is a place where we will be writing the, once again, Java method is a place where we will be writing the business logic. Sir, what do you mean by business logic? Guys, business logic means basically any kind of operations. For example, I requested you to write a simple addition program. That logic you need to write inside a method. Or else I requested you to write a algorithm for stock market predictions. That entire logic you need to write inside a Java method. So once again, I'm saying you, Java method means it is a place where we will be writing the business logic. Now syntax. What is the syntax of a Java method? Access modifier, return type, method name, parenthesis, open braces and close braces. So access modifier. Yes, guys, when you are speaking about access modifier of a method, how many access modifiers we can use? All the four we can use. How many access modifiers we can use for a class? Only two. What are those? Public and default. For a Java method, I repeat, for a Java method, we can use all the four access modifiers. Return type. Yes, guys, when you are speaking about return type of a method, I repeat, when you're speaking about return type of a method, how many options we are having? Four. We are having four options. We can use void as a method return type. We can use all the 8 primitive data types as a method return type. We can use classes and we can use interfaces also as a Java method return type. So if I don't want to return anything, what I'm supposed to write? Void, as simple as it is, right? So guys, up to here, we had covered in our yesterday's class. Up to here, we had covered in our yesterday's class. Now, guys, one more small question. Can you please tell me what is the extension of a Java program? For a class? Come on. For an interface? For an enum? Basically, the extension of a Java program is .java. Right. So up to here, we are already covered in our previous class, that is in our yesterday's class. Now, today is the day which we are going to start with our first Java program. Let's go. Okay. Now, let me just try to close this. Okay. Now, right. Guys, please listen to this. Right. Please listen to this. Right now, what I want to do, I want to write a class. You know that we are having 3 basic Java programming elements like class, interface, and an enum. So right now, I want to write a Java program with the help of a class. Okay. So just first, let me try to take an notepad. Now, inside this notepad, I want to write a Java class. Can you please help me first what I need to write? Perfect. Access modifier. After that, class. Is it correct? Why? It is a keyword. Okay, small letter. After that, what I'm supposed to write? Class name. Let me just try to go like the first name as FIRST, first class. I'm just trying to write like this. Okay, open braces and open braces and close braces. This is the syntax of a class. So access modifier. This is access modifier. This is class. This is class name, open braces and close braces. Now inside a class, guys, please concentrate correctly. Please concentrate correctly. Whatever the concepts which we are discussing today, especially today, we will use this concept till the end of your Java career. I'm not speaking about core Java. We will use these concepts till the end of our Java career. So please concentrate correctly. Okay. So yes, we know that in Java, we are having 3 basic Java programming elements. Right now, what I want to do, I want to take the help of a class. So I had written a class like access modifier, class name, open braces and close braces. Now inside a class, I repeat, inside a class, I want to write a method which will print hello world. That's it, not more than that. What I want to do, I want to inside a Java class, I want to write a method. Listen to my terminology correctly. Please listen to my terminology correctly. Inside a class, you know that inside a class, what we can write, we can write variables, we can write methods, we can create objects, and we can write blocks also. Right now, what I want to do, I want to write a Java method. Okay. So guys, I'm pretty much damn sure you know the syntax of a Java method. Do you know the syntax of a Java method? Come on, please help me out. First, what I need to write? Access modifier. After that, I don't want to return anything. I don't want my method to return anything. Then what I'm supposed to write? Void. Okay. void, void. After that, what I'm supposed to write? Method name. Okay. Just let me try to give my method name as MSG, message. After that, what I'm supposed to write? Parenthesis. And then open braces and close braces. Like this. Now, this is a class. This is a method. Where we are supposed to write a method? Where we are supposed to write a method? Inside a class. What is the use of a method? Method is a place where we will be writing the business logic. Now, the reason why I want to write this method, I just want to print hello world. I just want to print a normal message, hello world. Okay. Now, guys, please listen to this. Now, here I am writing system.out.println, and here I'm just trying to write HELLOWORLD. Hello world. Now, guys, please listen to this. System.out.println. Sir, what is this system.out.println? What is this system? What is this out? What is this dot println? Guys, as of now, until the completion of our demo classes, as of now, kindly please do remember, system.out.println is a statement which is used to print some data in the console. It is just used to print some data in the console. That's it. For example, whenever you are going to like ATM, you will be getting a message, welcome message, right? Come on, guys, yes or no? So that is actually present inside system.out.println. As simple as this. So as of now, kindly please do remember, system.out.println is a statement which is used to print some message. Okay. Now, sir, why you have used this double quotes, right? Guys, once again, I'm saying you, whatever the concepts which I'm discussing in our today's class, we will be using those concepts till the end of our Java career. So please concentrate. Please concentrate. Now, from this moment onwards, any data present inside double quotes. I repeat, from this moment onwards, any data present inside double quotes, that is a string data. String data. Sir, what do you mean by string? Guys, string collects group of characters inside a string. For example, if you are trying to take a string, like this, you can go with normal data A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. You can go like this. You can write numbers. You can write special characters. Basically anything. Inside double quotes, whatever the data which you are writing, that is which data? String data. Guys, strings accept group of characters. I repeat, string accept group of characters. You can pass alphabets, you can pass numbers, you can pass special characters. Basically, you can pass anything. But please make sure you are supposed to pass the data inside double quotes. Okay. Now, let us come back. So here, right, this is a class. Inside this class, I am having a method. What is the name of this method? Come on, what is the name of this method? Message, MSG, message. What is the return type of that method? Void. What is the access modifier of that method? Public. What that method is going to do? That method is going to print hello world. That method is going to print hello world. Guys, up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Up to now, please respond yes or no. Once again, I'm saying you guys, any data present inside double quotes, that data is string data. What do you mean by strings data? Like strings means they accept group of characters. Dot. Is it clear, guys? Up to now, is it clear for everyone? Okay. Online students, kindly please respond. Up to now, is it clear, guys? Please respond. Okay, perfect. Okay. Now, guys, please listen to this. Now, just let me try to write one more system.out.println statement. And here, I'm just trying to write this is my first program. This is my first program. Now, I have written two statements inside a method. Okay. Now, let me just try to save my program. What is my, just a second, what is my class name? First class. Okay, just let me try to save my program. .java and all files save. Sir, how to save this? Whether we are supposed to use small letters or capital letters? What do you mean by compilation? What do you mean by running? We'll be trying to cover in our tomorrow's class. Compilation and running will be covering in our tomorrow's class, guys. Kindly please wait. Okay, let me just try to close it now. Right, guys, did you observe? This is a Java file. Let me just try to open this. Is this the data which we are writing? Yes or no? Okay, public access modifier, class name, open braces and close braces. Right. Inside a class, we are having a method. Right. Now, guys, please listen to this. If we want to see the output of our Java program, guys, please concentrate, please concentrate, please concentrate. If we want to see the output of our Java program, we need to perform two tasks. We need to perform two tasks. First one is compilation. Second one is running. Once again, guys, once again. If we want to see the output of our Java program, how many tasks we need to do? Two tasks, guys, two tasks. First one is compilation. Second one is running. What do you mean by compilation? What do you mean by running? In our tomorrow's class, we will be trying to cover. We'll be trying to understand that. Now, guys, please listen to this. Please listen to this. If we want to run a Java program, if we want to run a Java program, 100% you need to write a predefined method. It's a predefined method. So without writing that method, you cannot run a Java program. Sir, this is already I had given a method. No, actually this is a user defined method. User defined method means the method which I have given. There are two types of methods are there. Two types of methods are there. First one is user defined methods. Second one is predefined methods. Actually, this is a user defined method. MSG, message, is a user defined method. Now we need to write a predefined method. And what is that method name? Just please observe here. I'm going to write a predefined method. Public static void main string array args, open braces and close braces, like this. Sir, what is this public? Yeah, public, I know. Public is a access modifier. What is this void? Void, I know. Okay, void is actually a return type. What is this main? Main is a method name. Method name. Are you understanding me, guys? Sir, but what is the static? Guys, static is a keyword. It is a keyword. It is a keyword. Sir, why we are writing this method? Guys, without writing this main method, what is the name of this method? Please tell me. What is the name of this method? Main method. Without writing this main method, we cannot run our Java program. If you want to execute your program, 100% you need to write a main method. Without writing main method, you cannot run your Java program. Sir, why we need to make our main method as static? And what is this string array args? Yeah, we'll be discussing that, guys. Only to cover this main method, like understanding this main method, we will take 1.5 hour session. Only for understanding main method. Why main method should be declared as public? Why main method should be declared as static? Why main method should be void? Why the name main? What is this string array args? In our regular sessions, we'll be trying to cover this. But as of now, what I want you to remember is, without writing main method, we cannot run our Java program. Dot. That's it. Now, guys, please tell me. System.out.println statement. What is the use of that statement? Tell me. Just tell me what is the use of that. It is used to print the data, right? If we want to run our program, before going that, guys, come on, answer, please answer. Before going to that, answer this question. If we want to see the output of our Java program, I repeat, if we want to see the output of our Java program, how many tasks we need to do? Tell me. I'm sorry, how many? Two tasks. What are those? Compilation and running. Guys, don't sit idle. Why you are sitting idle? Respond with an answer. If you say, you will remember. So please involve in the class. I'm requesting you once again. Involve. Once again, guys. How many tasks we need to do? 2 tasks. What are those? First one is? Second one is running. If we want to run our program, 100% we need to write one method. What is that method name? Come on. Main method. Like complete method name. Public, static, void, main, string array, args. Okay. Now, please check this. Now, system.out.println, system.out.println, and here I'm just trying to write Java. Java is AWSOME. Awesome. I'm just trying to write a small statement that is Java is awesome. That's it. Now, guys, please answer my question. In my class, how many methods are there? That is correct. That is correct. Tell me, how many methods are there? 2 methods. What are those? What are those? Message method and main method. Am I right or wrong? Message method and main method. Okay. Now it's time to execute our program. Let us just try to execute our program. Okay. Let me remove this. Open my command prompt. Now I'm trying to compile my Java program. Guys, once again, I'm saying you, compilation, running. Tomorrow we are going to cover. What do you mean by compilation? What do you mean by running? What is a command for compilation? What is a command for running? Tomorrow we'll be trying to cover. Okay, right. Now, before going that, just let me try to compile. Java C space file name. What is my file name? First class dot Java. Okay, let me just try to execute. I'm pressing enter. 3, 2, 1, enter. Okay, it got compiled. Let me just try to execute. Java space first first class. Now just I'm trying to enter. 3, 2, 1, enter. And actually, guys, which method got executed? How many methods are there in our program? Exactly. We are having 2 methods in our program. And only main method got executed. Sir, why message method did not got executed? Why message method did not got executed? Right. Guys, please listen to this. In our Java program, we can write any number of methods like method 1, method 2, method 3. For example, let me change this method name as method 1. Okay, right now I'm having 2 methods, method 1 and main method. Once again, I'm repeating, in our Java program, please listen, concentrate. In our Java program, we can write any number of methods like method 1, method 2, method, any number of methods. Sir, I want to write 10 methods. Yes, you can write. Sir, I want to write 100 methods. Yes, you can write. But listen to this. Those methods will be executed. I repeat, those methods will be executed only if we are calling them, only if we are starting them, only if we are invoking them. If we are not calling a method, that method will not be executed. I repeat once again. So guys, how many methods we can write inside a class? Any number of methods. We can literally write any number of methods, right? When they will be getting executed, those methods will be getting executed only if we are calling them. If we are not calling them, they will not be getting executed. Sir, but main method got executed. Yes, exactly my point. Only main method will be executed automatically. Only main method will be getting executed automatically. All other methods, they will not execute. Sir, I want to execute. Then what we need to do, guys? We need to call them. We need to call them. Are you understanding me? Just let me try to write a small point here, like just a small question. Just a small question. How many methods we can write inside a Java class? How many methods we can write inside a Java class? We can write, we can write any number of methods inside a Java class. Inside a Java class. Now, question number 2. I mean, one more question. One more question. Right. When a Java method will be executed? When a Java method will be executed? Answer. A Java method will be executed only if we are, come on, only if we are calling it. Only if we are calling it. Only if we are, sorry, only if we are calling it. Now, one more small question. Which method is mandatory to run a Java program? Which method is mandatory to run a Java program? Answer, very simple answer, that is main method. M-A-I-N, main method. One more question. One more question. Just a small question, that is, how many tasks we need to do to see the output of our Java program? How many tasks we need to do to see the output of our Java program? 2 tasks. 2 tasks. T-A-S-K-S, 2 tasks. What are those? First one is compilation, and second one is running. Compilation and running. That's it. That's it. Online students, up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Online students, up to now, is it clear, guys? Like, what is a class? Inside a class, how many methods we can write, and which method is mandatory to run a Java program? Okay, very good, guys. Very good. Now, guys, here, question. Guys, please answer this. How many methods we can write inside a class? Hey, come on, how many methods? Any number of methods. When a method will be getting executed? Whenever we are calling. Whenever we are calling a method, at that particular time, a method will be getting executed. Now, the question is, how to call a method? How to start a method? Right. Question. How to call a Java method? How to call a Java method? Right. Right. Guys, this is actually very important point in our today's session. How to call a Java method. Guys, please concentrate. Please concentrate. Please concentrate. We need to call a Java method. Buddy, listen. Please listen. We need to call a Java method with the help of its respective class object. Once again. Yes, guys, we can write any number of methods in our program. We can write any number of methods in our program. If we want to run a Java program, which method is mandatory? Main method. Main method is mandatory. Okay, right. Now, when a method will be getting executed? A method will be getting executed only if we are calling. Only if you are calling it. Okay. Next question. How to call a Java method? How to call a Java method? Okay. We can call a Java method. We can call a Java method with the help of its respective class object. We can call a Java method with the help of its respective class object. Guys, trust me, by the end of our today's session, you will be getting a clarity. I'm going break by break, like point by point, I'm trying to go. Okay. Try to sync the questions. Try to sync the questions. Like the first question, how many methods we can write inside a program? Any number of methods. If we want to see the output of our Java program, how many tasks we need to do? 2 tasks. What are those? Compilation and running. If we want to run our Java program 100%, we need to write a method. What is that method name? Main method. Main method. When a method will be getting executed, a Java method will be getting executed only if we are calling. Only if we are calling a method. Now, next question is how to call a Java method. We need to call a Java method with the help of its respective class object. Now, guys, can you guess what is the next question? How to create an object? Come on, guys. Yes or no? Now, if I want to, guys, please tell me right now what I want to do, Okay, this is my method one. This is my method one. If I want to call this method one, what I need? What I need, tell me? I need object. Which object? Class object. Which class? First class. I hope you're understanding me, guys. Okay, let me do one thing, guys. Let me do one thing. Here, just let me try to write a small point. That is how to create a class object. How to create a class object. Right. Answer. We need to create a class object with the help of new keyword. We need to create a class object with the help of new keyword and initialize that object. Initialize that object with the help of constructor. Constructor name will be same as class name. Constructor name will be same as class name. So right now you are having lot of new words you are listening. Completely, entirely new words. No need to worry. Let me try to give you a small example. Now, example of creating an object. Now, guys, I want to create an object of class A. Class A. Let us think that we are having some classes. Class A.java, class B.java, class C.java, class D.java, like that. We are having some classes. Right now, I want to create an object for class A. Guys, kindly please do remember, whenever you want to create an object, first, guys, please concentrate. Whenever you want to create an object, first you need to write new. First, you need to write new keyword. It is a keyword. Sir, what is the use of this new? New keyword is used to create an object. After writing new keyword, you need to initialize that object with the help of a constructor. Constructor name will be same as class name. I want to create an object for class A. So new class A parenthesis like this. And that object belongs to, let me go with like AOBJ belongs to class A like this. Now this is class A object. This is the way how you need to create an object for class A, right? Guys, once again, new. What is the use of this new keyword? Creating an object. What is this? It is a constructor. Constructor. Constructor name will be same as class name. Now, for this entire object, you are giving a name. It's just a name, reference like AOBJ. In the place of AOBJ, you can give any name. No problem, no problem. And this reference, this name belongs to class A. Guys, help me, like do me a favor. Now, right now, what I want to do, just, okay, right now, I want to create an object for class B object, OBJECT, class B object. Tell me, first, what I need to write, tell me. No. Exactly. Guys, come on, please respond. Please respond. Please respond. If I want to create class B object, first, what I need to write, tell me. Once again, first I need to write new keyword. What is that new? It is a keyword. Okay, first I am writing new. After that, guys, listen to the question. After new, what we need to do? I am not asking what we need to write. I am asking what we need to do. Exactly. Exactly. What we need to do? Initialize the object. Are you understanding me? Once again, guys, once again, please tell me. Right now, I want to create an object for class B. If I want to create an object for class B, first, what I need to write, tell me. First, new. What is the use of new keyword? What is the use of new keyword? Creating an object. Guys, are you following? Once again, please tell me. Please tell me. What is the use of new keyword? Creating an object. After writing new keyword, next, what we need to do? Initialize that object. How? How to initialize the object? With the help of a constructor. Constructor. And constructor name will be same as class name. Please tell me. Now tell me. New. Come on. Class B like this. Class A. Class B like this. Okay. Now for this object, let me just try to give a name. BOBJ belongs to class B. Like this. Okay. Now, guys, please help me out. Please help me out. I want to create an object for class C. Come on. First, what I need to write? First, I need to write new. What is use of new keyword? Guys, come on. What is use of new keyword? Creating an object. Creating an object. After new keyword, what we need to do? How? How? With the help of constructor. Okay, first I created an object with the help of new keyword and initializing that object with the help of a constructor, and constructor name will be same as, just let me try to go with class C. Okay, for this object I just want to give a name. Let me go with like COBJ. That belongs to, perfect, that belongs to class C. Now this is class C object. Class C object. Okay, OBJCT object. Now let us come back. Let us come back to our program. Let us come back to our program. Right. Now, guys, in our program, how many methods we are having? What are those? Method 1 and main method. Am I right or wrong? If I execute my program, which method will be getting executed? Method 1 will be executed. Why? Why method 1 will not be getting executed? We did not call it. Guys, come on, respond with an answer. Once again. In my program, how many methods are there? Two methods. What are those? Method 1 and main method. Which method will be getting executed? So method 1 will be executed or not? Why? Because we did not call it. So if we want to call method 1, what we need? Class object. Which class object? First class. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Now, guys, can you please help me creating an object for my first class? Tell me first. After that, initializing that object with the help of a constructor, and constructor name will be same as, tell me, FIRST. Okay, FIRST, first class, like this. And let me just try to give a name. Let me just go with OBJ. OBJ belongs to first class, like this. And now here, I'm already having an object. Now what I need to do, I need to call my method 1. Okay, just simply obj dot, that's it, obj dot method 1. Let me just try to execute my program. Now opening my command prompt. Let me try to compile first. Java C space first class dot Java, Java space FIRST, first class. Java is awesome. Hello world. And this is my first program. Did you understand this, guys? Please respond yes or no. Can you write this program without seeing? Yes? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, please. The program is on the board. The program is on the board, but I advise you to please try to write without saying. If you are having doubts, then check. If you are having doubts, then check. Please. Wait. Class is complete. You can ask me. Try to write this program without seeing. Online students, up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Online students, kindly please respond up to now. Up to now. Yeah, Chiranjeevi, wait for it. Wait for it. We'll discuss. Wait for it. Wait for it. Please wait for it. I just want you to write a method. I just want you to write a method. Write some statements in that method and try to call it. That's it. Not more than that. Please go ahead. Try to write without seeing. If you are having a doubts, then copy. Then check. Don't blindly copy paste. Please don't blindly copy paste. Wait for it, Satya. Again, I'll explain. Wait for it. Wait for it. I'll give you a lot of examples. Please wait. Please make sure you're writing the program. Make sure you're writing the program. Completed? Online students, if completed, kindly please inform me in the chat. Online students, if completed, kindly please inform in the chat. Wait for it. Sai Vardhan, guys, if this is your first class, I repeat, online students, if this is your first class, it will be a little bit hard for you to understand. I know that. That is the reason I already said this. Kindly please go back and check the last videos, like yesterday's class. Anyways, I'll try to repeat it once again. Don't worry. Right. Once you try to write the program without seeing, and then check it whether it is right or wrong. Completed? Okay, guys, is it done? Can I remove this? Okay. Okay. Now I'm moving on to one more program. I'm moving on to one more program. Let me close this. Let me close this. Now, guys, please listen to this. In all our core Java classes, I will be using IDE. I'll be using IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Lot of IDEs are there. I already said this in our first class only. Lot of IDEs are there like Eclipse, MyEclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ. Guys, sir, what is an IDE? Guys, IDE is nothing but a tool where you can write a program. For example, let me just try to open an IDE. I'm using Eclipse. I'll show you guys how to install Java, how to install this IDE. Once by the end of our demo classes, I'll try to show you. Don't worry about that. Okay, now just let me try to go with class A. Okay, now, guys, right now, I will be trying to write a program in my class A. I want you to please analyze whether you are understanding the program or not. Whatever I am writing, whether you are understanding it or not, tell me. Enough. Right. Sir, what is this package? Guys, this is package name. Now, did you remember yesterday? Yesterday, I had given you a structure, right? See, orders. Inside orders package, we are having class A.java, class B.java, class C.java, like that. Inside products package, we are having interface A.java, interface B.java, like that, right? Now, this is nothing like a package name. It's just a package name. Whenever you are writing the program, no need to write that package name. Whenever you are writing a program, no need to write that package name. Am I clear with this? Please respond. Now, tell me, right now, what I am having in my IDE. Am I having a class or an interface or an enum? What is this? Tell me. How do you know it is a class? How do you know it is a class? Because of its syntax. Okay. What is this? Tell me. Access modifier. What is this? Keyword. Keyword. What is this? Perfect. That is class name. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Right. Now, please check this, guys. Please check this. Now, void method 1 system.out.println. Let me go with like 10. System.out.println. Just let me try to go with 20. And here system.out.println. Simply I'm trying to write method 1 call. Exactly in the same manner, I'm trying to write method 2 void void method 2, and here system.out.println. I'm going with method 2 call And just one more SYSO. Let me make this as 30. Let me make this as 30 and system.out.println. I'm just making it as 40. Now, question. How many methods are there? Names. Everyone, please tell me. What is the return type of method 1? What is the access modifier for method 1? Public. Did I write public? Did I write public? No. Did I write private? No. Did I write protected? No. If I did not write public, private, or protected, the access modifier for this method is default. Default. Are you understanding me? Now tell me, what is the access modifier for method 2? What is the access modifier for method 1? What is the access modifier for a class? How many access modifiers we can use for a method? For a method. How many access modifiers we can use for a class? How many primitive data types are there? Perfect. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, method 1, method 2. Right. Now, can I execute my program? Can I run my program? Tell me. Yes or no? Why? What is missing? Tell me. What is missing? Main method. Main method. Okay. Just let me try to write my main method here. Okay. Public static void main string array args. And now here, just let me try to write system.out.println. I'm going with strt start and syso. I'm going with Java is AWS awesome. And just one more statement, system.println and end like this. And like this. Okay, now online students, guys, online students, are you following, guys? Online students, are you following? Please respond. Please respond. Online students, are you following, guys? Perfect. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, please check this. Once again, I'm saying you. Right now, in my class A, how many methods we are having? Hey, 2 methods. 3 methods. What are those? Method 1, method 2, and main method. What is the access modifier for main method? What is the access modifier for method 1? What is the access modifier for a class? For a class, public. Is this clear, guys? Okay. Now, if I execute my program, what is my output? Start. Java is awesome. Okay, just Java is awesome. And that's it. So are you saying that method 1 and method 2 will not be executed? Come on, guys. Yes or no? Okay, guys, my small question. Right now in my program, method 1 and method 2 will be executed or not? Why? Because we are not calling method 1 and method 2. So right now, if we execute our program, our output is start, Java is awesome, and end. Am I right or wrong? Let us check. Please check this. Right click, run as Java application. Start, Java is awesome, and end. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Guys, please respond yes or no. Online students, please respond up to now. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Online students, please respond, guys. Please respond up to now. Up to now. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Right. Okay. Now, guys, please listen. Please listen. Help me here. Help me. I want to call. Listen to my requirement correctly. Then easily you will be able to evaluate my requirements. I want to call method 2 from method 1. I repeat, I want to call method 2 from method 1. Now, answer my question. How many methods we can write inside a class? Any number of methods. If we want to call a method, what we need? Come on, what we need? We need a object. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Now, what is my requirement? I want you to call method 2 from method 1. Tell me first what I need to do. First, what I need to do? Create an object. Once again, first what I need to do? Create an object. Do you know how to create an object? First, what we need to write? Listen to my question correctly. Okay, first I have written new. After writing new, what I need to do? How? How to initialize? With the help of a constructor. And constructor name will be same as, okay, class A, like this. And for this object, I want to give a name. Just let me go with like AOBJ belongs to. Now, what is my requirement? What is my requirement? Tell me. I want to call method 2 from method 1. Come on, tell me what I need to do. Respond. AOBJ dot method 2. Am I right or wrong? Now, if I execute my program, what is my output? Think, guys, please think and tell me. Take a minute time. Take a minute time. It's okay. Take a minute time. Think and tell me. What is my output? Are you saying I'm going to get the same output or any other different output? Same output? I sure. Right click, run as Java application. Am I getting the same output? But guys, I'm calling method 2. I'm calling method 2. But why it is not getting executed? Okay, guys, where you are calling method 2, tell me. From where you are calling method 2? Respond. Method 1. We are calling method 2 from method 1. Are you calling method 1? Are you calling method 1? No. If method 1 is not getting executed, then these lines of statements also will not be getting executed. Am I right or wrong? So if we want these lines to be getting executed, first what we need to do? We need to call method 1 from. Perfect. We need to call method 1 from main method. Okay, guys, please tell me. Come on, tell me. New. Come on, new class A. Let me just try to go with like just AOBJ belongs to class A. All right. After that, you tell me. I will write the code. AOBJ dot. Now, what is my output? First, tell me my first output. Tell me my first output. Second output. Once again, guys, please, once again. What is my first output? Second output. Third output. Third output. Method 1 call. Fourth output. Fifth output. Sixth output. Method 2 call. Seventh output. 30. Are you understanding me, guys? Eighth output. Last output. Exactly my point. Right, guys, please listen to this point. Every Java program execution will start from main method and ends with main method. You may have any number of methods in your program. Like you can write method 1, method 2, method 3, literally 100 methods, 1000 methods you can write inside a Java class. But always, whenever you are analyzing your Java program, I repeat, whenever you are analyzing your Java program, first you need to start understanding your program from the main method. Are you understanding me here, guys? Just let me try to write like a small note point here. Just like a small note point. Every Java program execution, every Java program execution starts from main method and ends with main method. One more point, one more, just like a small note point. Always start analyzing your program, from the main method. Always start analyzing the program from the main method. Am I clear with this, guys? Now, guys, please respond. Please check this. Please check this. Now, in my program, I am having how many methods? How many methods? 3 methods. Method 1, method 2, main method. We are supposed to start understanding the program from the main method. Every Java program execution starts from main method. Guys, please, once again. Every Java program execution starts from main method. You may have any number of methods. That literally does not matter. Always start analyzing your program from the main method. Directly come to main method. Okay, here main method. Now in line number 21, what we are trying to do, what is the use of this system.out.println statement? To print some data. Okay, in line number 21, we are trying to print start. Just let me do one thing. Our first output will be what is our first output? Start. Next, line number 22. What is line number 22? System.out.println. Java is awesome. Okay. In line number 23, what we are doing? Tell me. Creating an object. Guys, are you understanding me? In line number 23, we are trying to create an object. In line number 24, what we are doing? Calling a method. This is important, guys. Please check this. From line number 24, guys, are you listening? Guys, are you listening? From line number 24, our compiler will be going to method 1. Is line number 25 executed or waiting for execution? Exactly. Why? Because from line number 24, our compiler went to line number 5. Okay, let us execute method 5. I mean method 1. Please execute method 1. First, what we are having? System.out.println method 1 called. Okay. Second output 10. Third output. Okay. In line number 10, what you are doing? Come on. What you are doing? Creating an object. Sir, already an object is present inside the main method. Why again you are calling? Like why again you are creating in method 1? Guys, where the object is present? Where the object is present? This object is present inside the main method. Until you are inside the main method, you can use that object. No problem. But once you came out from the main method, you cannot use the same object. Are you understanding me? You need to create once again. You need to create one more object. For example, you are present in your home. Okay. You are present in your home. In your home, you are having large 55 inches screen is there. I mean, TV is there. In your home, you are having the TV. Whenever you are present in your home, you can see that. You can use that. Am I right or wrong? Once you came out from your home, you cannot use the same TV again. Am I right or wrong? So if you want to get the same TV, we need to get one more new TV. I hope you are understanding me, guys, right? Exactly the same scenario here also. Until we are present inside the main method, we can use this object. main method starts from line number 20, ends with line number 26. But we are not present inside main method. Where we are present? We are present inside method 1. So we need to create an object once again. We are creating an object, and here please tell me what we are doing. Calling a method. So from line number 11, our compiler will be coming to which line? Line number 13. Come on guys, yes or no? Okay, from here our compiler will be coming to line number 13. Inside this method 2, what we are doing, tell me. Method 2 called, and 30, next statement 40. Now guys, from this point it is important. After line number 17, do you have any statements left behind? No, there are no statements left behind. All the statements in method 2 got executed. So the compiler will be coming back to the calling method of method 2. Calling method. Calling method means from which method you are calling method 2? Not main method. Not main method. From which method you are calling method 2? Method 1. Guys, method 2 calling method is method 1. So after executing line number 17, our compiler will be coming back to method 1. All the statements execution got completed. Am I right or wrong? What is the calling method for method 1? Exactly. The calling method for method 1 is main method. So after executing this line number 11, our compile will be coming back to main method, ending of line number 24. Do you have any statements left behind? No. Yes or no? What is that? Line number 25. That is system.out.println. And let me execute my program. Right click, run as Java application. And this is my output. Start. Java is awesome. Method 1 called 10, 20, method 2 called 30, 40, and end. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Please have this program. Please have this program. Go ahead. Please have this program. Please go ahead. Online students, I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Guys, please respond. So the Manikanta, like you're asking when we use public, I told you this, buddy. Please don't ask the questions which I had already answered. I told this, we'll be discussing that later, not right now. Not right now. Still we are in basics. How can you expect an answer for that question? If we want to cover that access modifiers concept, only access modifier concept will take 1 hour time. Okay, wait for it. Come on, guys, please have these programs. Please write these programs. There is a very strong reason why I'm asking you to write them. Please have them. Online students, please write the program. And guys, online students, I already gave the link, Google Classroom link in the chat box. In that Google Classroom link, you will be having our yesterday's recording also. Please, you can go with that. Once class is complete, you can come to me and ask me, please. Okay. Google Classroom link is already available Okay, just a second. I'll share it once again. Yes, please check it, guys. Please check it. Already available in the chat box. Please check. Please check. Please. Online students, if writing is completed, kindly please inform me in the chat box. If it is completed, kindly please inform me in the chat box, guys. Please. Please inform me in the chat box. Wait. Once the session is complete, you can come to me. Okay. Please wait. Okay. Completed. How many are writing? Raise your hands, please. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. How many are writing? 1 more minute, guys. Please carry on. Guys, use shortcut when you're writing. Instead of writing entire system.out.println, try to write yes, y, yes, o. Use shortcuts. I'll tell you how to use those shortcuts also. How to write this program in the Eclipse. What are the shortcuts I'm using? I mean, every shortcut, you will learn it. Not at all a trouble. Java installations, Eclipse installation, maximum by Monday or Tuesday, I'll let you know. Next Monday, coming Monday or Tuesday, I'll let you know how to install Java, how to install Eclipse, what are the shortcuts. We'll discuss that. Okay. But guys, once again, I'm saying you, make sure you are writing the programs. Make sure you are writing. Please make sure you are writing. Don't consider these as demo classes. Do you feel like these are demo classes? Exactly the point. Exactly the point. I already said this, guys. Every day you learn a new topic. And every day you will learn a new topic. You will 100%. And very, very important point is, whatever the concepts which we have learned today, we need them to understand tomorrow's concept. I hope you're understanding me, right? For example, yesterday we had just gone through a method, but today we discussed about method calling. Tomorrow we're discussing about some more concepts. Okay, right. All right, guys, I hope it's complete for everyone. Guys, please answer these questions. Come on, please answer this question. Please listen. I'll give you time to write. Please first answer me these questions. Everyone, stop writing, please. Tell you stop writing. Answer the questions. Right. Yes. In Java, there are 3 basic Java programming elements: class, interface, and an enum. When we need to take interface, when we need to achieve abstraction, when we need to take enum, if our project is having universal constants. Do you know the syntax of a class? Can you please tell me? Access modifier, class, class name, open braces and close braces. Guys, some people are not saying. What happened? Respond with an answer. In interviews, guys, come on, yeah. In interviews, if you sit idle, no one is going to give you a job. You should answer. You should. Please make it as like a habit. You should answer. So come on, once again, how many, like, what is the syntax of a class? Access modifier, class, class name, open braces and close braces. Inside a class, what I can write? Variables, methods, create objects, right block. Okay. Now tell me, what is the use of a object? What is the use of a object? To call a method. Come on, guys. Yes or no? Do you know how to write a method? Do you know what is the use of a method? What is the use of a Java method? To write the business logic. What is the syntax of a method? Access modifier, return type, method name, parenthesis, open braces and close braces. When you're speaking about return type, how many options are there? What are those? Void, all the 8 primitive data types, classes and interfaces, right? If I don't want to return anything, then I need to use void. If we want to see the output of our Java program, how many tasks we need to do? 2 tasks. What are those? And running, compilation and running. If we want to run a Java program, writing one method is mandatory. Am I right or wrong? What is that method name? I'm sorry, what? Main method. Writing main method is mandatory to run a Java program. How many methods we can write inside a class? We can write any number of methods. When they will be getting executed? Whenever we are calling a method. Do you know how to call a method? How? How to call a method? With guys, listen. I'm not asking how to create an object, guys. I'm asking how to call a method. We need to call a method. Guys, please listen. We need to call a method with the help of its respective class object. Once again, how to call a method? Please tell me. We need to call a method with the help of its. Once again, how to call a method? We need to call a method with the help of its respective class object. Do you know how to create an object? First, what we need to write. After that, what we need to do. How to initialize an object? With the help of a constructor. And constructor name will be same as. Is this clear, guys? And with the help of that object, we can call a method. As simple as this. Dot. Is this clear, guys, for everyone? Guys, trust me when I say this. Up to now, whatever the concepts which we had covered, you have literally no idea how much more concepts we had already covered. Remember, this is just third class, third demo class. In third demo class, first class is introduction, leave it. To be precise, this is second. In second class, you know how to write a class. Do you know it or not? Do you know how to write a method? Do you know how to call a method? Do you know how to write a main method? Do you know how to create an object? As simple as this. And tomorrow we'll be trying to discuss about what do you mean by compilation, what do you mean by running, what is like, how many types of classes are there, how many types of methods are there, what is actually a variable. Tomorrow we'll try to go with little bit more complex, guys. Is this clear, guys, for everyone? But do me a favor. Before coming to tomorrow's class, I want you to please go and check our yesterday's class video, today's class video. I mean, both will be available in the Google Classroom. Please check and then come to tomorrow's class. Trust me, guys, tomorrow class, you literally enjoy it. Now, let me ask you, guys, are you able to understand the way which I'm explaining? Please respond. Perfect. Online students, please respond. Is this clear, guys, for everyone? Up to now, whatever the concepts which we are discussing, is this clear, guys? Perfect, guys. Perfect. Yes. All right, guys. All right. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Offline students, if you are having any doubts, kindly please wait for 2 to 3 minutes. I'll address you. Please wait for, sit down. Please wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Right. See, we can call method 2 also in the main method, but not right now. Like, I just want to understand you how the compiler flow will be going. Okay. We'll discuss that. Banu, Java is case sensitive. When we need to use capital letters, when we need to use small letters also, we'll discuss that. Please wait for it. Okay. Lot of topics are there, buddy. Lot of topics are there. Right, right. Krishna, I'll give you the practice questions. Don't worry. Number means lot of things will be there, Sumant, like int, byte, short, long. Lot of things will be there. I'll discuss that. Sumant, wait for it. You're asking, sir, will you take advanced Java classes after this? If I'm free, I'll take it. Yesterday's notes is already present in the Google Classroom. Yesterday's videos is already present in the Google Classroom, guys. Please check with that. Online students, okay? Wait. All right, guys. Online students, I hope you enjoyed our today's session. We'll be trying to Apex and Java are completely different. Hemapriya. No. Those are different. Those are different. Right. I hope you enjoyed our today's session, guys. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Have a great day, guys. See you tomorrow. And online students, once again, I'm saying you, if this is your first class, I strongly advise you to please go and check with the previous class recordings, which are already present in the Google Classroom. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you.